tar fish. You see them? Pretty cloudy this morning. I don't think we'll get a beautiful sunrise, but at least it's not too crowded. I count only 3 people out so far. It's usually a little lighter than this, but with the clouds in this morning, first light is more like first dark. A little more scary than usual. Oh, I just saw a stingray swimming away from me. Yeah. That's my sign to hop on the board here. Oh crap, not gonna make it through this one. Let's see how long we can keep the hair dry today. Camera angle on the nose that I realized my whole faces that I make when I'm paddling through it. That was pretty good. That's glassy. Those nose mount shots are pretty cool, but it's really hard to start the camera before a wave comes. Let's give the POV another shot. Waving to my friend on that wave we just got. That was funny timing. guitar fish. You see him?
Guitar fish. You see him?
It's called a shovel-nosed guitar fish. Because of the way it looks. Well, it was a good little session. It's too bad when you have a timeline you gotta make and you gotta leave, even though the waves are still good, but got some good waves. Saw my buddy, he came out, paddled out. It's good to see him again. Saw a shovel-nosed guitar fish, a couple stingrays. Life is good.